Hello students, today's topic is scan line algorithm. Scan line algorithm is using two things for detecting and eliminating the hidden surfaces. What are the two things are there? This will be use image surface method approach. I already told you what is the image surface method. Go to my first video, there you can understand what is the image space method. And second one is image projection on view plane method. Image projection also you can understand in my 3D transformation video. You can understand all the things about the projection. So these two methods are using by this algorithm for detecting and eliminating the hidden surface. Okay, so for this algorithm, how it will be doing the work for the elimination of hidden surface. So here that will be maintained three tables. First one is edge table, which denoted by ET. Second table is active edge table, that will be noted with AET. And third one is polygon table, that will be noted with PT. How it will be useful and how we have to make the edge tables. Okay, so here in the edge table 5 blocks are there. First one is X. What is the X? In the surface which y value will be smaller, that value will be coming on the ET. Y max, that edge which will be intersecting on the polygon, that edge end point maximum y coordinate will be coming here. Delta x is equal to 1 upon m. M is the slope for reducing the calculation, that will be used for the reducing calculation. And last one is id. Id means what is the name of that edge, id of the edge. Okay, next one will be coming active edge table. When any scan line will be interchanging some polygons, those edges are called the active edge or current edge. Okay, so for those edge we are making this table. Okay, so here first one is scan line, which scan line will be using. Next one is edge. Edge means active edge or the current edge which will be intercepting. Okay, next one is surface, which surface we are talking about. Next one is id, and next one is pointer, means that next surface it will be shows. Okay, so these are coming in the active edge table. Next one is polygon table. In the polygon table, first one is id. Next, polygon coefficient. Polygon coefficient means the surface equation I told you before, ax plus by plus cz plus d. So here the coefficients are a, b, c and d. 4 coefficients are coming, so those are the coming here. Next one is shading color. Shading color means what color it will be used. And next one is input output. Input output means that will be default value will be false, or you can use 0 or 1 also. Okay, so these things are coming on the polygon table. I hope now you can understand what tables are there. Now we can understand by the example. Okay, so in this example there are two polygons are there. Okay, ABC one polygon, EDF second polygon. Okay, so here L1 is the one scan line, L2 is the second scan line. L1 value will be y and L2 value will be y minus 1. Okay, so ABC one polygon have surface S1 and EDEF have surface S2. Okay, and these scan lines are intercepting of the L1 L2 scan lines are intercepting both polygons. Okay, so now we have to use active edge table in AET, because now we are using active edges, so we are using this table. So here L1, first you have to check L1. Okay, L1 means scan line L1. So what are the intercepting points are there? First AB will be intercepting and second one is AC will be intercepting by the L1 scan line. So AB and AC are the here. Now AB which surface it will be used? Okay, AB intercepting point will be coming in which surface? Surface will be ABC or you can say S1. And same thing in AC. AC intercepting will be coming ABC surface or S1 surface. Same thing. Since here single surface, there then nothing will be coming in the forward. Now we are coming on the L2 edge. L2 scan line. In the L2 scan line, you can see first it will be intercepting AB. AB in which surface? S1. Okay, next is scan line intercepting AC and EAC also. Okay, so here AC and EC, two lines are there, two edges are there, and here surface are changes, because in the AC surface S1 ABC, and here EC EAC surface are DEF, means H2. Okay, so problem will be coming in this part, and in this part this algorithm is using. Okay, so now here next edge intercepting by the L2 scan line, EF, it will be coming on the H2 surface. So here also there is no problem. Now how intensity value will be checking? So now we have to compare the depth of the surfaces. Which surface have more depth? We have to consider that surface. So in this diagram you can see which one is more depth. S2 surface have more depth. So here in this question we have to consider S2 depth, because of more depth having S2 surface. Okay, and the intensity value will be also taken by the pixel S2. So whatever color of the S2 surface, that color only will be taken. I hope now you can understand what is the scanline algorithm and how it will be used. Okay, thank you students. If you have any query, you can ask.